Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So before this video I have made a video about this platform and the withdrawal proof, so I'm doing it again. So first of all, I have made my all quantification and I have today's earning. You can see $2.36. So I'm directly withdrawing it and showing you the exact time it will take to withdraw money. So I'm just clicking on withdraw and my withdrawal address is settled, and I will set my limit on 3.36. I will not leave any cent in here because I want to take all my money which I have invested. So this is the main thing you have to do from here. So this is it. I have to set my give my password, so I'm skipping it. So here it is. I have settled my password. I'm just confirming it. So let's wait to see how much the time takes to withdraw all the money. So here you can see handling fee is 0 and receipt is $0, and I don't know how much time it will take and how long it will survive, but the thing is I am collecting all the profit. As long as I can, I will do it, because you know that if I took all my money that I have invested, there is nothing to lose and nothing to sacrifice. So if you want to register, you have to do it first, because if you don't do first, it will make you loss. So it is better to do it first. So my withdrawal is done and I'm waiting for it and want to see how much time it will take. So I'm making the live video about it. So you can see already is processing. That means the withdrawal is done already. If it is processing, it will arrive in a few minutes. You just don't have to worry about it. So this is my withdrawal proof video, and the registration link, telegram group link, and the confirmation link, and to contact me, the link of contacting me is coming, is in the description box. So do follow me. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.